Hi everyone. This is a continue from an earlier video we took. We had went to the dump, and upon leaving, one of the workers had a kitten in his hand and was looking for a home. And this is the little kitty. She is a little dirty. We have decided that this is Mom's cat. You want to come out? We've decided to name her Molly. Tommy, probably not good for you to be in here, baby. Come on. We don't know how she's going to react to dogs. Let's see here. Hi, Molly. So this is a new addition to the family. She seems to be long-haired, and she is very dirty. There she comes. You want to come out? This is like, I like this soft blanket in here. There we go. Let's see. Are you ready to come out? And she is super sweet. Oh, that's your Christmas stuff. The house is still a mess from us cleaning up from Christmas.
I just washed that thing.
Oh, she's got a little pot belly, Mom. Yeah, she's showing a little, you can feel it. So she's probably filled with worms. This is Mom. And her new little kitty, Molly. We haven't heard her purr at all yet. So.
Don't get my face.
Mom doesn't want to show her face. We'll show the little Molly's face.
Okay, I'm going to give her. Where's the shampoo?
So we're going to give Molly a shampoo.
You had it in your hand, I thought.
It's in the kitchen. So this is... Hi, Toby. Toby has not met Molly yet. So we are going to...
These are dogs and horses, as well as kitties.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think this is supposed to be... Yeah. It's just has cats on there. We don't know how old she is. Oops. Ow! She's scared of water. Yeah. You have
you can do this.
Oh. You have to be real, like... Yeah, you gotta get her used to it. She's gonna be climbing up Mom's back. Baby. You're scaring her with the water. We found something she's scared of. And she is super dirty. Yeah. I think she found her new perch.
Okay.
We ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
I'm going to put her on the counter.
Well, let's see if she's... Here, turn the water off for a minute. Is that warm? Oh, why'd you let it out?
Oh, because I didn't want her to...
Oh, well, let's see what happens. Ah, be careful. It's not hot, is it?
Mm-mm.
You sure? We're gonna have to have some strength. Anyway, come on, Molly. She is scared of water. Of course, that's to be expected. Let's see here. Here, you want a video? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. Shh, shh, shh. Calm down. calm
She's
down.
got wet under her chest.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We'll probably have to use a cloth to wet her. It's
What
okay.
cloth? This
Yeah.
or a hand towel? Or a just
It's okay.
bath towel? Bath rag?
Yeah, she'll get used to it when she realizes we're not hurting her. Yeah, it's okay, baby. Yeah, it's okay, Molly. Yeah. It's okay, Molly. It's okay.
Is this
okay.
even videoing?
Yeah, it
It
should
is?
be.
I don't see it.
It is.
Usually it gives a countdown.
Yeah, it's video. It's at the top.
Oh, up there.
Oh, hope you don't try to bite. Anyway, we will get her calmed down and we'll come back.